OpenAI plus Dell bring Codex on-prem, AI agents behind the firewall. Explain what Codex on-prem/hybrid changes for enterprise software teams, security, and procurement, and give a practical governance checklist. OpenAI and Dell just announced a partnership aimed at bringing Codex to enterprise environments. The headline isn't AI can code. That's old news. The real change is location and control. If a coding agent can run inside your security boundary, more companies will green-light it, and the conversation shifts from permission to governance. The skeptical question is, why do we need on-prem at all? Can't we just use the cloud? In many orgs, security and legal don't want sensitive code, customer identifiers, or proprietary architecture flowing into systems they can't fully control. On-prem or tightly controlled hybrid deployments are often the difference between no and pilot. Think of an agentic coding system as a loop. It plans changes, edits code, runs tests, and packages the result as something a human can review, often a pull request. The reason on-prem matters is that this loop touches everything that's sensitive: repo access, CI, dependency downloads, secrets, and internal documentation. If agents do more of the first draft, humans spend more time on problem framing, architecture decisions, evaluation, and review. That can be a win, but only if you can trust the audit trail: what files changed, why, what tests ran, what prompts were used, and who approved it. The skeptical analysts push back: if it's inside the firewall, isn't it safe? Not automatically. You may reduce one class of risk data leaving the boundary, but you increase others: privileged access to repos, automation that can change production critical code, and model behavior that can drift. On-prem changes the risk profile, it doesn't delete risk. Here's a practical pilot checklist. 1. Choose one low-risk repo with good tests. 2. Define an agent sandbox: least privilege credentials, no production secrets. 3. Require a human PR review gate for every change. 4. Log prompts, tool calls, and diffs for auditability. 5. Evaluate with a fixed test set and track regressions. 6. Ship only after repeatable wins, cycle time down, bugs not up. Not used for this topic. So does on-prem Codex make agents enterprise ready? It makes them more deployable because the data boundary problem gets easier to solve. But deployable isn't the same as safe. The winners will be teams that treat agents like production systems, with identity, permissions, evals, and audit logs. 1 May 18, 2026, OpenAI plus Dell partnership announcement date. 2. 4 million developers weekly, OpenAI claim about Codex usage. 3. 3+ million developers weekly earlier milestone, OpenAI scaling Codex post, show as millions weekly if unsure. 4. 5,000 plus enterprise customers, Dell blog claim about AI workloads on Dell AI factories, label as Dell claim. 5. 44% of US GDP, do not use here, keep numbers topic specific. 1. One-page summary. 2. Links mentioned. 3. Key terms explained. 4. Pilot checklist. 5. Watch list and risks: educational content only. Not financial advice. #AI #OpenAI #Dell #Codex #AI agents #Enterprise AI